Donald Trump has recently announced that the US will be charging a fee of $100,000 on H 1B visa applications. What I'm going to be doing through this video is I'm going to be simplifying this statement and I'm going to describe how it is going to create an impact for F1 visa applicants, that is, the student visa applicants, and people who already have their H 1B visas. As you can see, this is the proclamation directly coming from the presidential office signed by Donald Trump on September 19, which basically states that a visa fee of $100,000 will be applicable for H 1B visa holders. Now, why was this created in the first place is that this proclamation also shows a few statistics that the number of foreign STEM workers in the United States has more than doubled between 2000 and 2019, increasing from 1.2 million to almost 2.5 million. Okay, basically in the IT sector. So predominantly in the IT sector, the H1B visa holders has doubled. Okay, that is what these statistics show. Further, this proclamation also aims to clearly state that this visa fee is going to be only applicable for 12 months. I'll come to that part later on. But first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify how this is going to impact F1 visa holders and already existing H1B visa holders. This proclamation was made effective from 21st of September, barely giving the H1B visa holders a minimum of or a maximum of 24 hours to enter the United States if they were in some reason outside of the US. So if you are an H1B visa holder and if you are outside of the United States after 21st of September, your employer has to basically pay a visa fee of $100,000 to help you enter the US. This proclamation is unlikely to affect existing H 1B visa holders who are already in the US, but for those visa holders, H 1B visa holders who are outside of the US, they will most likely be affected. The reason it looks serious is because it is mostly unlikely to be overruled by court, but there is no need to panic because this implication is only imposed for a period of 12 months, which means that further analysis will be done after a period of 12 months, and further decision on whether this fee will be continued or will be reduced will be decided after that. If you are already in the United States as a student, if you already are on an F1 visa there, no need to panic, because even if your F1 visa is coming to an end and you want to enter the workforce, you can still enter the workforce by OPT. So, optional practical training gives you a chance or a permission to work in the US after your F1 visa expires. And a good thing or a good part about OPT is that it is usually for a period of 12 months, but it can be extended to 2 more years if you are in the STEM field, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So you can get up to 3 years of OPT before you can actually apply for an H 1B visa. By that time, the 12-month restriction on this $100,000 fee of H 1B visa would have passed, and there are more likely chances of a fee reduction at that time. If you are a grad school applicant for the coming fall cycle of 2026, there is still no need to panic because you will enter the US on the F1 visa whose status has not been changed yet. After that, you will be allowed to enter the workforce through OPT that can be extended to a period of 3 years after your F1 visa expires. And after that, you will have to apply for H1B. So there is no need to panic as of now. And let's see what happens. We'll keep you posted. Thank you so much.